Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMLH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's very nice price action, a whole lot of updates here need to be made. So the first thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning. Going to get rid of these lines down here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting 8 million lines everywhere, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So we'll get rid of those lines. And the next updates that come about are just from foundational rules in charting, which state when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 0035 as resistance, but now this would be considered an area of support. And then same with up here at 0045 was a level of resistance, but now that the price is above it, you'd like to see it act as support. And actually that one's already happened and acted as support. So the price broke above it, and then you can see quite a bit of price congestion right around that 0045 area. Was it exact precise? No, but levels of support and resistance are not specific prices. There is a range element that comes with it. And I think we can all agree that, after the price broke above it, the price stayed well within, the range of that 0045. And that's what I'd call the ideal level, meaning going forward, what would make this chart look the strongest? If the price can continue to stay above it, that would be a very big sign of power. Now, if the price breaks below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But preferably speaking, yeah, if the price can stay above it, that would be a very good sign of strength. Then, of course, you have 0035. Taking a step back and looking at the really grand scheme of things, the big picture, it's all about the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. As long as the price remains above that purple line, which is going to continue to increase over time, then the bulls are in full control, full health, however you can best visualize that. No questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this move is going to fight upwards, where are some of these battlegrounds at? Initial area of resistance, I'm going to call right up there at 0055. So 0055 going to be that first hurdle that the bulls need to cross. If the bulls can push through there, then simply next level is where the party stopped today, and that was up there at 0062. So 0055, 0062, next couple levels of resistance. But all in all, at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on putting in higher lows, long-term chart's going to take care of itself. So we'll see how the rest of this week all unfolds. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.